Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to export your tiles. You can go to customize, then go to tiling function. So here you can just double click on your floor. Okay, double click. So this is your tile. You can hide your furniture. Go to display, hide your furniture. Okay, so you can see your tiles better. To export, you guys can go to drawing. There's two types. Okay, you can go to floor plan or process chart. Alright, I will show floor plan first. Okay, so this is floor plan. Okay, it's like a hand sketch drawing. Okay, so here you can change the format. Okay, this one is horizontal, this one is vertical, right? You can see the listing is on side. Okay, this is the listing, tiles listing. This is none, this is on top. Okay, and then you can change the size to A4 or A3. Then you can add your own logo. Okay, choose any image you have, right? Then here is the texting. Okay, you can change. See the texting here. This one you can see text, let, call out. This one is same as on top ribbon here. Okay, it's the same thing. So then down here you can change the font type. Okay, let's zoom a bit. Okay, let's zoom. You can see the difference if you change. Okay. So here you can change the text color. Okay, let's say change to red. Here you can change the sizing. Okay, you can see it changes. Okay, so let's zoom a bit. Okay, so here you can add LED. Okay, this one you can drag. Okay, you can drag out anything. Okay, let's say here you can rename in room number 1. Okay, you can drag anywhere inside the floor. Then here you can add a starting point. Okay, let's say here. Okay, undo, right, do it again. So this one is starting point. And then you can add texting. Just click here. Okay, right click to cancel. Then click again. Here you can add the text of, let's say I put tilings. Okay, here you can move the text. Okay, move anywhere you want. Right, so then last one is description. Okay, let's say I put hi, from AiHouse. Okay, you can put your own description here lah. Right, then click export. Okay, last one is click export lah. Okay, alright, so next we'll try another type, which is process chart. Okay, you can go to process chart. So this is process chart. Okay, all will be listed down in table form. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see the profile cutting. Okay, the sizing, and then the type. This one is black gold flower. Okay, you can scroll all the way down to check. Okay, so here you can click export. There's two types. You can click current space or whole. Let's say whole. Okay, you will export the whole living area room. Okay, let's say your tiles is in master bedroom, so it will list down all the tiling you use in master bedroom. Okay, then you click save. Okay, just wait for a while. So then here you can click yes. Okay, open the Excel file. Okay, once you save, it will be saved in Excel file. Okay, here you can enable editing. Okay, this one enable editing. Then you can edit the text here. Okay, you can add the numbering. Okay, you can adjust the tiles name. Okay, so that's it. Okay, you guys can try export your tiles. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.